So in this video we are going to learn about lofted command. So basically there is two type of lofted command which we use in SolidWorks. First for solid modeling and second one is for sheet metal. So there is a big difference between these two. In solid modeling we need a closed loop, and for the sheet metal we need an open loop for both of the sketches. So let's start. Go to new part. Okay, so go to feature, and here is the lofted base command. So here you can see that add material between two or more profile to create a solid feature. The first and the last profile can be a point. So let's start. So we need two sketch in a parallel position. So first I'm going to make one sketch in this front plane. Okay, go to sketch. So I'm selecting circle here. We can give a dimension also. So first we need to change the dimension unit. So I'm selecting here this one. Now go to edit, and now I'm giving 150 mm. Okay, exit sketch. So now I have to create a parallel plane. So now I'm going here, reference geometry, and I'm selecting plane. So I need to select a parallel plane where we can make that plane parallel. So I'm selecting this front plane, and we can have some dimension. So here I'm selecting 150. So I have created one plane which is parallel to the front plane and apart 150 mm from there. Select this plane, go to sketch and make some sketch. Go to normal, select this. Okay, a rectangular shape. Okay, I'm selecting this 120, smart dimensioning, and this is 150. Okay, now the sketch is complete. So now go to lofted command and select. As you can see, we have a profile section and other option over here. So select the profile. The first profile is this, and the second profile is this. So as you can see, the loft command is used, and we can make a solid model having two different cross section area. So this is basically used to create that type of solid modeling. Okay, so if you like that video, please like, comment, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you very much.